Hello, welcome to Libra Philippines. So, itong reading na ito ay para sa mga Libra. Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Libra. Take only what resonates. Para sa mga gustong magpa-personal reading, Jing Tarot Reader, search mo siya sa Facebook. Ayan. Meron tayong special channel for... ito na pala yun. Nandito na nga pala ako sa Libra Philippines. But anyway, marami tayong iba pang channel. Check mo na lang dyan sa description box. Okay, so this is for the sign of Libra, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Libra. Let's start your reading. Okay, Libra. Para sa mga interesado ng astrology reading, naka-discount pa po ako ha, $299 doon sa TikTok shop. Check mo na lang. Ano siya, nakalagay doon compatibility reading eh. Ganun. Pero, kung wala ka namang gustong ipa-compatibility reading, ayan, yung mismong chart mo na lang yung babasahin ko. Placement ng planets nung ikaw ay pinanganak. Para mabigyan ka ng guidance kung anyway, kung ano yung mga gustong malaman, chat mo na lang doon sa TikTok shop. The Fool, Six of Cups, bottom of the deck, the Devil. Maganda to kasi nakikita natin na regarding the past, naka-move on ka na regarding dito sa person na to. Who is maybe quite a narcissist person or someone na nag-manipulate sa'yo in the past, or maybe a person na with the devil energy, parang itong person na ito is, I don't know, you find him or her sexy, or itong person na ito is might be na-obsess ka din minsan sa kanya, pero naka-move on ka na eh. Kita natin yan with the Fool, na maaring nakikita mo yung sarili mo na hindi, may mga dapat pa akong gawin, may dapat akong simulan. This is you focusing on yourself, on your own journey, you know what I mean? Parang regarding the past is past, parang ganon. Now, sino ba tong person na kakonect mo? Person na kakonect mo, Libra. Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Libra. Person na kakonect mo, Libra. Spirit guides, angel guides, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Libra. Isang shuffle na lang. Okay. Para kay Libra, sino itong person na kakonect mo? You do have here the Two of Pentacles. Isa pa. Seven of Wands, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Bottom of the deck is the Queen of Pentacles. Okay. Pwedeng yung person na connect mo is may isa pang kakonect, you know what I mean? Pwedeng this could be a third party situation. But he or she, babae man or lalaki, pag sinabi kong he or she, kung sino man doon, so never mind na lang kung ano yung gender na mababanggit ko. Pwedeng interesado siya or mas interesado siya sa'yo. Okay, so kung may kakonect siyang isa, kahit anong pilit nung person na yun na makuha yung attention nung person na ito, ng person mo, sa'yo siya mas interesado. The Seven of Wands is here, so marami siya nakikitang red flags doon sa isang person, and that is the main reason kung bakit parang ayoko doon. Might be you are more mature, mas napapansin ka niya na mas ikaw yung mature, financially more mas magandang kausap, or mas ikaw yung mas may security, or nakikita ito ng person mo that you are the person na boom, bigla na lang magbo-boom. Alam mo yun, yung meron kang masisay pagdating sa money, pagdating sa class. You do have that. And then the other person, wala siya nun. You are more stable. You are the one na mas, mas confident pagdating sa usaping pera. But nevertheless, no, hindi naman yung pera mo yung nakikita niya. Hindi naman yun. But maybe nakikita kanyang attractive because feeling niya mas match kayo. Kasi maybe your person is someone na parang pagdating sa finances or pagdating sa pera, talaga siya may may importante para sa kanya na stable. Of course, stable ang relationship at mas magiging stable yon kung stable din yung magiging partner or yung kapareha niya. Anyway, ano yung mga emotions ninyo sa isa't isa? Spirit guides, angel guides for the sign of Libra, please. Emosyon ninyo sa isa't isa. For the sign of Libra, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Libra. Ano yung mga emosyon ninyo sa isa't isa? Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Libra. One last shuffle. Okay. Thank you, Spirit guides, angel guides, for the sign of Libra. Oh. Nakaramdam ako ng kaba. Hindi ko kinakabahan ka ba? 7 of Cups is here. There's an angel number 77. Ayan na. This could be your reading. Queen of Wands. Wow. I will take this. You do have here 5 of Cups at the bottom of the deck. At parang pareho ng energy kanina itong part na ito. I don't know if you're dealing with the Virgo kasi yung first reading na ginawa ko is for the Virgo. You might want to check it out, Virgo Philippines, lalo na if ang kakonect mo is Virgo. You do have here the Devil. Yan, the Tower. And the Death card. Oh, wow. Ace of Wands and the Justice card. Regarding sa emotion itong person, dito muna tayo sa iyo, ha. I do like your energy. Dahil naka-move on ka na, dahil itong person na to in the past is pwedeng, hindi mo na masyadong, iniisip mo, kasi may alaala kayo Pero, mas more on sa sarili mo. Parang wala ka nang pakialam dito sa person nito. 7 of Cups, you see yourself as a person na parang, you are creative, you are cute. Alam mo yon. Why would you need this person? Parang hindi mo naman siya kailangan. You have your own home, your own maybe in a family wherein masaya ka naman dyan. So, you don't need this person's attention or whatsoever because it only creates drama sa buhay mo. So, I see you as a very intelligent, very creative, very charismatic person. Malakas ang charisma mo not only sa love but also pagdating sa positive way, sa money, etc. Na-attract mo lahat niyan. Lalo na kung ikaw yung tipo ng tao na magaling ka mag-manifest. I manifest na makukuha ko yung pera, ganito, ganyan. And then, you are a very charming person. Nakikita ko rin yung energy mo na you are very energetic, very, pwedeng magaling ka rin pagdating sa arts and or music. I don't know, maybe magaling ka mag-makeup, magaling ka magdala, babae man or lalaki. Of course, take only what resonates. Kung lalaki ka, don't take the makeup part. And you know how life is, and alam mo kung gaano kaganda yung buhay, yung mundo, para hindi mo na kumbaga aksayahin pa dito sa taong to. What I see now is you do love yourself, and you are actually focusing on abundance. luck, ayan, swerte, nandun yung focus mo. At saka sa sarili mo, of course. Gusto mo maging mas better, maging mas healthy, maging mas maganda, babae man or lalaki. Na pagdating sa person na to, okay, the devil is here. Naiinis siya. I can see the energy of your person na naiinis siya. Naiinis siya, bakit mo inend? Bakit wala ka nang pakialam sa akin, ganun. And naiinis siya, bakit, if you have ended something with this person, kung inend mo, naiinis siya, bakit mo inend? Diba? Kasi might be in the past, nasanay siya na ikaw yung ganito, ganyan, ikaw yung bigay ng bigay, ikaw yung, parang ikaw yung nagpapaka, habol ng habol sa kanya, but then, now, hindi na ganun yung situation. May nakakainis yun sa part niya. And then, with the Justice card, I feel like the energy is parang nabaliktad. Siya ngayon yung gustong maghabol sa'yo. And the Ace of Wands, dahil maaaring may mga nakikita siya, or nalaman siya, or na-realize siya. Anyway, I can see the planet of Neptune. So, the planet of Neptune kasi sa astrology, it's spiritually. Kumbaga, ito yung planet na may kinalaman sa usaping spiritual, imagination, subconscious mind, and yun yung nakikita natin dito sa person na to, the planet of Neptune. So, this person is imagining stuff between the two of you. And or, pwedeng may spiritual connection kayo ng person na ito. Ngayon, nakikita niya yon, maliwanag sa kanya ngayon yon. Pero, pwedeng nagigising na itong person na to sa connection ninyo or sa katotohanan regarding sa connection ninyo. Na parang marami kayong pagkakapareho, etc. And, the Five of Cups is here, so, you know the feeling of pag-alis. Example, ikaw ay nasa airport, 'di ba? Mas masakit yung feeling ng iniwanan kesa doon sa umalis. 'Di ba? Oo, masakit yung separation. The separation itself, masakit talaga 'yon. Pero ang energy is that mas masakit talaga ang nararamdaman nung inalisan. And the way I see this, ikaw yung umalis sa connection na ito. Kaya ngayon, siya yung nasasaktan. Okay? And you were like, umalis ka na para, kasi gusto mo na peace of mind, gusto mo na maging masaya lang, gusto mo na makita kung ano pa yung mga ibibigay sa'yo ng mundo, ng universe, kung ano pa yung maybe yung future sa'yo na mas maganda. So, you are more excited on the future na maibibigay mo pa sa sarili mo and the universe kung ano pa maibibigay sa'yo. So, iniwan mo or inalisan mo na tong taong to. So, masakit para sa kanya na inalisan mo siya. Now, let's move on to your future. What will happen in the near future for the both of us? For the sign of Libra, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Libra. Person ni Libra. Future ni Libra. Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Libra. Spirit guys, angel guides. Nakikita ko si Archangel Michael. Oh my gosh. Thank you. You are very protected right now, no? Sa energy mo ngayon. Lalo na kung ikaw yung nasaktan noon, so talaga pinrotektahan ka din. Ten of Cups is here. Nine of Wands. Okay. Oh, wow. The Magician. And the Knight of Cups. Okay. Gusto ko pang i-clarify ito. What's with the Ten of Cups and the Knight of Wands? King of Wands is here. What's with the Knight of Cups and the Magician? Two of Swords. Bottom of the deck is the Four of Wands. Okay. Tapos, nakita ko kanina while shuffling, itong, na-visualize ko yung card na ito. So, I will be getting messages from this cards. Kuha na rin ako, ha. Anyway, in the future, nakikita natin with the Ten of Cups, Knight of Wands. Okay, maiusin natin. Yan. Knight of Wands and the King of Wands. I can see na pwedeng ang focus mo is how to make yourself more beautiful or attractive. So, magpo-focus ka sa health mo. Maybe, ayusin mo yung health mo. King of Wands is here kasi maybe you have gained a lot of health. Gained a lot of weight. So, pwedeng you will try to focus on paglulose or pag-aalis ng mga sobrang timbang sa'yo. But anyway, Ten of Cups is here. So, pagdating sa family, it will be more, playful, happy. Yung family na yan, may mga nakikita tayong mga bagong makakapagpasaya sa inyo. So, maybe a new pet or something. But anyway, I can see the universe giving you blessing in the future. May blessing in the future sa family. Yeah. Yung iba, maybe a baby. May parating na baby. Kung hindi man ikaw mismo or, yung magkakaroon ng baby, but maybe, yung kapatid mo, pwedeng may mabuntis, gano'n, etc. So, there's this bagay na makakapagpasaya. Yung iba sa inyo, hindi naman siya necessarily a baby. Sabi ko nga, maybe a pet. But I can see na magbibigay pa ito lalo ng happiness sa buong pamilya. Okay? And also at the same time, nakakita tayo ng Four of Wands is here, Eight of Pentacles. Okay, kung ano man yung mga pinaghihirapan mo ngayon, magbubunga lahat yan. Mas magiging mas stable ka financially. Lalo na kung ginagamit mo yung creative side mo, ha. So, kung ginagamit mo yan, mas magbubunga yan. Pagdating sa person na the Magician, hindi nagiging maganda yung flow ng buhay niya. Nakikita natin yung mga problem, yung mga kamalian, yan, etc. The Knight of Cups is here. Magugulat ka na lang, this person isusurpresahin ka niya sa isang desisyon na pwedeng gagawin niya sa buhay niya. And this is like a decision na parang makakapagpagulat sa'yo. Anyway, tell me more for the sign of Libra. You do have the snake and the lightning. Love. I like your energy because mahilig ka sa competition. Hindi naman mahilig, but rather, mas na-challenge ka pagdating sa mga competition. And nakakita tayo dito na maaaring may makapagpagulat sa'yo or there's a competition here na maaaring dumating sa buhay mo na pwedeng maging dahilan para mas, ma-challenge ka. Na parang sabihin mo, ay, kailangan ko ayusin, gato ganyan, kasi may kompetisyon, gato ganyan. Maybe if you do have a business, so may competition regarding sa negosyo, etc. But I see that you do like this. You do like this energy na parang na-challenge ka. And, mas na-attract mo yung abundance and stability in the future kasi mas maipapamalas mo or mailalabas mo yung talagang galing mo. No, lalo na pag nakita mo na ay may competition dito and masaya ka na ilabas yung kagalingan mo dito. The snake is here, so kung ano man yung mga challenges na dadating sa'yo, nakikita natin na ito na magiging para maging mas better ka pa. Okay? So, anyway, pagdating sa future, remember, like what I've told you, na itong person na ito is going to offer you something. Maybe yung offer has something to do with sa inyong dalawa. And I feel like with the keys on a ring, sabi ko sa'yo, di ba may desisyon na pwedeng makapagpagulat sa'yo. And, this person is going to talk to you. Kasi yung mga pananakit niya, or feeling niya masasaktan ka, ang tendency siya pala yung nasasaktan. So, yeah, the chaser is coming back. Babalik ito, siya maghahabol sa'yo. Yan. This person wants to rebuild something sa connection ninyo with the hammer. To south. Why did I say south? I don't know if your person is from the south or ikaw ito from the south. But anyway, soulmate is here. So, this is your person. Itatry niyang i-rebuild yung connection or yung soulmate connection. Especially if you're dealing with a soulmate, twin flame, etc. May soul connection sa inyo. Hindi pa siya tapos. Parang gusto niyang ayusin yung connection na ito. And maghahabol siya. Okay, this person is going to talk to you. Maaring may mga bagay siyang i-promise sa'yo. And regarding dun sa other option, I want to know, kasi yung iba sa inyo may other option. You do have your talking. Ayan, pwedeng balitaan kanya regarding sa ending doon sa the coffin is here. The coffin, literal na kabaong. It signifies death card, Scorpio energy. So, nagpapakita ito ng ending na maaaring balitaan kanya regarding dito sa ending with the other person. And with the dragonfly, ayan, unti-unti siyang maliliwanagan. And actually, naliwanagan na nga siya. Okay, so, anyway, thank you for watching, guys. I love you all and bye-bye.